Hello, welcome to my channel, Grizzly Longboarding. My name is Cameron, and today we're going to be reviewing the Retrospec Tidal drop-down longboard. It is 41 inches long and 10 inches wide. These bearings are rated as ABEC 9s. I'm pretty sure that doesn't have anything to do with skateboarding, but I'm going to be upgrading those because those are very good. I bought this as a starter board because I am not very good at longboarding, and so I spent like $90 on it. It is an entry-level board by all means. It's not like insane in any way. And with that, let's ride it because I am kind of excited. Alright, I'm not very good at this kind of thing yet. I'm gonna try my best. But if you guys could recommend something for me to do. Like I'm probably gonna get some, like, you know, bones reds for this thing. These are not very good. And I'm probably gonna get some bones bushings for this thing too, because I see good reviews on Amazon for those. It'd make them softer, maybe. I might get new trucks in general because these ones are kind of heavy, honestly. This is pretty heavy. So also gonna get new wheels, maybe bigger ones. I'm not sure. Let me know if these are too big or too small. Help me, because I have no idea what I'm doing, and that's pretty much how it's gonna be this entire time.